In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Atom early. If you use a buy now, pay later plan and want to clear an installment ahead of time to free up your limit, simplify your budget, or avoid any chance of late fees, this walkthrough is for you. I'll guide you through each screen so you know exactly what to tap and what to expect. First, launch the Atome app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet network, and if you see a prompt, log into your account using your usual credentials. Keeping the app updated helps ensure you see the latest payment options and buttons exactly as shown. Once you're in, head straight to the Bills tab. You'll typically find it along the bottom navigation bar of the app. This is your central place for tracking current and upcoming payments, and it's where you can take action to pay early. Inside Bills, look under the Upcoming or Active tab to view your future installments. Upcoming usually shows payments that haven't reached their due dates yet, while Active lists ongoing plans. If you don't immediately see the installment you're after, switch between these two tabs until you find the right one. Next, select the specific bill or transaction you want to pay off early. Tapping it opens the details page. Take a moment to review the merchant, remaining amount, due date, and any notes so you're absolutely sure you're paying the right installment. This quick check helps avoid accidental payments on the wrong plan. When you're ready, tap the Pay Now button at the bottom of the screen. If the button isn't visible on a particular installment, it may mean that portion is already settled or not eligible for early payment yet. Otherwise, tapping Pay Now will bring up your payment options. Choose your preferred payment method. You can use a linked debit or credit card, popular e-wallets like Gcash or Maya, or pay via a bank transfer reference number where available. Cards and e-wallets usually process instantly, while bank transfers may require extra time for confirmation. Make sure the funding source has enough balance to cover the amount shown. Finally, confirm the transaction to clear the installment. You may be asked to authenticate with a one-time code or biometrics. After confirmation, look for a success message and return to the Bills tab to see the updated status. Early payments typically reflect quickly and may increase your available limit, though exact timing and any fees depend on your account terms. And that's it. Quick, simple, and done ahead of schedule.